Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this operation. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to easily see the components. First, power off your TP410U completely. Unplug it from any power sources and remove any connected peripherals. This step ensures your safety during the disassembly process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the screwdriver to loosen the screws without damaging the casing. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and carefully slide it along the edge to detach the clips holding the panel in place. Take your time during this step to prevent any unnecessary damage. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of the TP410U. Locate the touch controller, which is typically near the display connector. Before proceeding, consider cleaning any dust or debris inside using the microfiber cloth. A clean environment is crucial for maintaining device integrity. To disable the touch functionality, gently disconnect the touch controller cable from the motherboard. This step is vital. Take care not to pull too hard to avoid damaging the connectors. If you're uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once the cable is disconnected, you can reassemble the device by reversing the disassembly steps. Place the back panel onto the device and ensure all clips are securely fastened. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them carefully to avoid over-tightening, which can strip the screws. Upon completing the assembly, power on your device to check if the touch functionality has been successfully disabled. If everything is functioning properly, you can proceed to use your TP410U without the touch feature. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this procedure on your own, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy for you to get your device repaired without hassle, no calls, no travel. Plus, we provide a quote before repair so you can know the costs up front. Finally, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, do not hesitate to reach out. Our team is here to help ensure your TP410U operates exactly how you want it to. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.